Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SD card into this device. So to do this, firstly you have to get yourself a tool like this one, which one will help you to eject the SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, the slot will come out. So here you have to insert your SD card, just like this, and then put it back into your device. And as you can see, notification here says issues with SD card, which means that SD card been found. And yeah, that's how you can insert it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.